Hi and welcome. And today we're going to start my mini. What I'm going to do, because, well, I'll just show you. Because it's been standing, I don't think we're going to get this running. It's totally, you just see the camera. It hasn't been started for God knows how long. So is it worth me just stripping down to the bare bones? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it to you guys. So I'll leave it for a week, the engine bit. If you want me to see if I can get it cranked up and started, then I will. Nobody comes forward, we'll just take the engine out and then we'll rebuild it, and then we'll have to wait because I don't know if it's damaged or anything. So in the meantime, let's put this up here. I'll take all the trims off, I'll take the door off, the bonnet, the boot, and then we'll start trying to take all the bits out from the interior. So I'm going to put you on a time lapse and then we can go from there. So here's one of those pointless top tips. Any screws you take off the car, just put them back in the location holes. A, so you don't forget to lose them. B, if you do need to replace them, you'll know how thick they are, what size they are, and what they are. And that means you don't have a workbench like I've got full of different screws for different cars and you haven't got a clue what they are. Just a top tip, just in case. That can come off. Oh. Now I'm 43, I had to think then. Last time I restored a Mini was when I was 16. So I know these cars like the back of my hand. It's so easy to work on. But the bits have gone dead dear. I remember when I was a young whippersnapper, it's a good one, you could buy a Mini with an MOT for 250 quid. Now, if you want anything half decent, you're in the thousands. Which I'm surprised with this, because I really thought this would have got snapped up. But everybody must have known it was a dog. And I do like a bit of Mivet. Oh, yeah. It's had a bang, so it's pushed the screw in. Just try and take the well spring loaded. And you can come off. You can be a bugger. And if you're ever unsure about taking a car apart, what I used to do is take pictures. Not of myself, but what I'm taking apart. It's a lot easier than a Haynes manual. You coming? No. See what somebody's done. They pranged it and then they put an extra screw in. And they're just making it 10 times harder for me. I'll just unscrew the adjusters. I'm just hoping when I take this off, the wing isn't rotten. Oh, spider coming out. There's loads of them. Oh God, made me jump then. Little bugger. Come on. Now, let's be having you. Here we go. It's coming. There we go. That wasn't so bad, was it? You can come out. There we go. Lovely jubbly. If I can try and restore the bits, I will. I don't want to be cutting wires. Where's that unplugged now? Let me remember. It was all inside the inner wing. Oh dear, I don't want to put my hands in. I don't want to get spider. Pull them out, can't I? Alright, we'll just leave that in there, man. 2 minutes. Let's get the other one out. So the front bumper is off. And yes, the nut did snap, so not happy about that, but hey ho. Alright. Used to have a wheel arch here, but it's cracked and broke, so I'll take them all out, all the screws. So far, the wings are okay. We'll soon find out, see how much crap is tucked behind here. And if these have gone. I'm dreading cleaning out the inside. There's that many spiders. I hate spiders. See, these look lovely, but look at the crap they, you know, that's wet mud sitting on the bodywork, and well, it won't do the car any good. But straighten that one out. That isn't rotten. Apart from this A-pillar, the top and the bottom, which is typical. Wait till you see the underneath. Talk about a bodge repair. It's had holes in the sill. So instead of patch welding them, somebody has got 3 pieces of metal, bent them in the shape of the sill, and pop riveted them on. So water can still get behind, still rot the sill. Plus, if you can just see them, they stick out like a sore thumb, and that one there. Honest to God, some people, if you can't weld, take it to somebody who can. It's simple. Right, we'll take that back arch off because we'll see what's lurking behind there. And if you can see, let me adjust the camera just here. Can you see this dent? Forget the door's knackered, but can you see this lovely dent here? We'll try and prize that out. The pictures on eBay never took the driver's side. It was on the back of a transporter. It was the passenger side, and the passenger side's in a lot better nick than the driver's. Funny that, ain't it? I will do these stupid things though. Don't go on eBay at 1 in the morning. In bed. Unless you're capable, that is. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Another screw should be down here. Yeah. Oh, come on then. I'm just getting ready for a big spider jump out. So what have we got here? You see that there? That's just gone straight through it. So where all the water, but then again, look, it's got all there and there. But that can be cut out and a plate welded in, and by the time you put an arch back on. But the rest of it, the solid, they always go here. That's solid. There's the pop rivet, and there you go, down there. So that'll be interesting when we take that off. Right, I'll put you there, man. Can you see me? You see the car? Great. Right. Take these doors off now. Oh, wait a minute, we'll take that little strip off actually. So we'll take the door off. I need to keep all the door furniture. I need to keep the glass because the door, and I need to keep the handle in the lock set because I've just bought strip doors. A lot better net than this. So again, I'll come back to you in a minute because these will be a ball ache to take off. I don't want you to see me swearing and smashing the place up and making bigger dents than this. So I'll come back to you in 2 minutes. There's one I prepared earlier. I've already unbolted the door, so it should come out. There you go. One door. Do you know the crap paint job is out protected? Because the top of the cells are meant, and look, I'm peeling the paint job off. Looks like somebody's household canned it by the looks of it. But I presume I spoke too soon. No, I haven't. No, it might be alright. Might be alright. What have we got here? Let's put these crappy aftermarket cells on. But that A panel's meant. That back quarter's meant. That wing is meant. The front panel on this side is meant. You see, they've welded, put a weld patch there. Bloody crazy. Should have gone around the other side. Right, both doors are off, bonnet's off, boot's off, front bumper, headlights. So that's it. And it's now, oh bloody hell, it's 12:30. Not dinner time. Early morning. So I'm going to call it a night now, and then next time we come back to it, It'll be taking the interior out and taking the petrol tank out, I think. The backlights, take them out. And then when that's done, I suppose we'll get the old sander and we'll grind it. Grind it back, take this paint off, and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you again soon, but you'll see this in the next few seconds. See you in a minute. Hello and welcome back. So it's now day 2, and as you've just seen, I've taken the front seats out, and now I've got to sort through all this mess and rubbish so I can get the back seats out and I can get the carpets out. So let's see what's been hiding inside this Mini for 20 years. A pair of rubber mats. London Underground, King's Cross, May 2005. So giving me little clues how long this car's been off the road. I'm dreading it, I really am. The CD, the Mega Christmas album. Is it a sign? Is this the car for Christmas? I doubt it. Wonder what that is. It looks like a part. We'll keep that. Bit of foam. I won't throw that yet, just in case. Oh God, I'm dreading it. High vis. TNT. So did this guy or lady work for TNT? Who knows? .4 brake fluid. So as it had problems with the brakes, we'll keep it. Oh God. Fold it. Oh, with all the MOTs dumped in. Great, well we won't bin that. I don't know what these are from, if it is many parts, but we'll keep them just in case. God, it's dusty. Golf. I think it's the wrong car to put golf clubs in. Yeah, more golf magazines. Screen wipes. An old tape disc. Kineta. God. I'm just dreading a mouse jumping out or something. Sunday Express 2006. So we've got King's Cross ticket 2005. A magazine says 2006. So pair of straighteners. Oh, how strange. Was it a husband and wife car? Was it a man with long hair? Who knows? Shell motor oil. Ugh. An empty bin bag. What's that? Oh, apart, is it? I haven't even got a clue what that is. Doesn't say anything on the bag. If I don't know, I won't throw it. Oh my lord. Pair of smelly socks. Don't want them. Loads of tapes. Foreign tapes. Pencil. Do we need a pencil? Yeah, we might need a pencil. We'll keep that. Toothbrush. Did they live in the car? I don't know. Express dispatch. We've attempted to... I got a date on it. Nope, no date. Bottle of water. Punjab remix. Right, okay. Punjab receipt. Comb. So we've got the straighteners, we've got the toothbrush, we've got the comb. We're ready to go out. Business card, car wash. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's the cassette front, I think. Carrying case. How retro. Razor. Nice. Tablets. Hand lotion. Phone charger, an old one, Motorola. Oh dear. Red X, more Punjab. Ice scraper, could have done with that the other day. Keep that. Tax disc, 2003 for a Vauxhall, so it's not for our car. Okay. An old sandwich. Oh god, I don't know what that is. Vile, dirty, horrible. Let's move it. Ugh. Mints. Ugh. Oh dear. Okay. An A to Z of London. No, nothing interesting. Another A to Z of London. A little light on the spiritual laws. Right, okay. What's this? Heathrow Airport. So it has definitely been London. Another petrol receipt. Let's get these in the bin because I don't want them. Right. Business card. Sales and lettings. Okay. A cigarette. Somebody's dropped. Coat hanger. Oh man. A SIM card. Oh. It's always risky when you see a SIM card that's been under a seat. Anything interesting? Oh, this is interesting. 2006 May. This is a checklist for a hotel. What people are having for the breakfast, what papers has been signed. So, did the person who owned this car work in the hotel business? Interesting. In London. Well, in 2004, they had a hotel in Ascot Gardens, and it cost them £3,176. Expensive tastes. More hand cream. I'm looking through the paperwork just in case there's anything for the menu. See, these are people's insurance documents. They shouldn't really be left in a car, should they? And a Bupa dental plan. Must have nice teeth, hence the toothbrush. A flat football. World Cup Brazil 2014. It can go in the bin. We don't need it. Pens. Spare balls. Oh, what's that? Film City. Video card. You don't see them. Should keep that, really. It's an antique. What we got over here? Oh, we got this big pipe. Ooh. Now, I don't know if it's for this car or it was for someone else's car, but we'll keep it just in case, because we don't know what's missing. What's this? A big book on London. I don't need it. I don't like London. I'm not much for London. The hustle and bustle. Know what that is. It can go in the bin. Oh, I'm putting my hand in the. Oh. Marks and Spencer's. The Marks and Spencer's wage slip. So, okay. So, did they work in a hotel chain? Did they work at Marks and Spencer's? Did they have loads of jobs? I won't tell you the name, but we'll see how much they've earned. A month's salary back in 2003, £758. Nice one. Right, go in the bin. Let's crawl in. Oh, right. Look at this. Because there's loads of spiders, so that's why I'm not in the car. Oh, can I take the back seats out? No, not yet. Oh, God. Right, what's in here? Oh. Golf magazine, great. Winnie. A little manual for this mini. Perfect. Oh, so she has been loved. Well, let's get rid of that. I mean, who has a candle on the back seat? Especially an old car where the fuel tank is. Oh, well. So what have we learned? Absolutely nothing. But I found the history. I found a book, which is ideal. And we know the car has definitely come from London, and it looks like it's lived in London. So, right. I'm going to get these back seats out, rip the carpets out, and then we'll have a walk around and see all the dreaded rust that I found. Be back in 2. Right, I'll show you the interior now. Now it's all gone. Right, starting from the front, the obvious. So, judging by that, oh, it's totally gone. It's going to need a driver's floor. And over there, that lovely big hole is going to need a passenger floor. So, new front floor. But the inners are solid, which is rare. We've got a little bit of rust over there, but it hasn't gone through on the inner part of the, as it sill. Underneath the back, solid, I think. Yeah, it's solid. Just wants to neaten it up. I mean, whoever had it resprayed, they've actually took everything out and sprayed the inside. But this was the original colour. It's like the light doesn't do it, looks silver there, but it's actually like a metallic light green, just like the back. You can see how they've done everything. And over there, so they spent some money changing the colour. I thought it was aerosol can, judging by how it's gone, but no. So it's going to need 2 new floors. Inside, where they always go, you see down there, you see that little hole there, little pen hole at the bottom? But that doesn't bother me. That's what the patch. Okay. So let me just wind you back. Take that dent out. That's the first one. You need a little bit of welding there. So I'm not bothered about that. It needs the cell. Oh, this is the, see them? All those little dots, they the pot rivets. You see a better now. Look at that. Bend them over and rivet them on. So it's going to need a new cell. This side, a pellet. So it's gone at the top, but only that little pinhole. I'm going to grind that back and hopefully plate that and weld it, because going down there is solid, going down there is solid. And then again, another little pinhole at the bottom, which weld. So they're taking all that off, because the wings are good. Top of the scuttle's good, which usually go. The roof's good. Even down here, this front panel is mint. And I'll start grinding back. Engine. I've seen an 850cc rebuilt engine on eBay. It's going for peanuts. I might buy that and use this as practicing. We'll see. We'll see if I can win it on the old eBay. This wing, apart from this dent here, I'm sure we can prize this out. It's solid, it's good. I mean, considering it's been standing, I mean, by the looks of it, it's been standing outside. That hasn't gone. They always go. They're solid. Everything's solid in the places which I thought would rot. So I'm surprised there. Again, top of the wing this side. Solid. Inside the engine bay. Back of the bulkhead. Solid. This a pellet. Solid all the way, top and bottom. So that doesn't need anything, whether that was replaced. But judging by it, it's still got the original green underneath. So I think that's original. Sills here are solid. That back quarter, solid. Round the arches, solid. Again, so there you go. That little pinhole. That little pinhole there. Little tap weld. That should do us. Again, it's all solid. And the back of the floor is solid. The back of there is solid. So I'm happy with that. Right, let's go to the boot. the boot is solid. But, well, that's that back part what needs tack. But this always goes, even where the battery is, you can't see because of the light, but trust me, it's solid. It's all solid here. Nothing's gone. So, and these are all the bits that have come off. Interior, I'm just filling up the workshop again. Original brown, we should keep it. We can try and build these, put some new boards on and recover this. It's only stapled. But yeah, I'm filling up the workshop again with bits. But after I've stripped them, the scrap man can have them. Unless we make a feature on the wall, who knows. So, in all, I think it just needs floors. And that's it really. That's the major part, the floors. Apart from the engine. Everything else, I think we can sand it all back. Whether we get it to this green, and then let the body shop. Oh, of course, you've got the A-pillar there, but... Now, do we go back to the original colour? That's the question. Because if I go back to the original colour, I'm going to have to have the inside done, aren't I? You've got to think of the pennies. Is it going to be viable to do that? Or shall we just go for a different colour green? I don't know. But that's not yet. So, driver's side sill, new floors. That is it for panels, I'm thinking. Everything else could be tack welded. So there you go. So that is the end of this episode. So next time, what we're going to be doing? Well, hopefully, do we attempt to get the engine out? We'll have a new engine by then, who knows? Or do we start just sanding it all back? Do we get the welder out? Never welded before. So this was going to be the practice car before I take on the beast. So, well, we'll see. We'll see. So again, hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to comment. And I'll see you again in the next one. You take care. Bye.